Lights, camera, action.
Before diving into their stories, let's have a quick challenge.
Okay?
Like, what are these? Ano, melon?
Ito talaga.
Obvious to.
Yay!
Try natin yung peras. Kasha ba? Hindi rin.
Ano ba to? Parang hindi naman kasha. Oh.
So kahit anong ikot natin dyan, hindi talaga yan magkakasya.
Even the smallest one barely fits.
It doesn't fit at all.
Kaya lang, di naman natin to mababago, di ba? Kasi ito nga talaga yung shape niya, no? The thing is, itong baso natin siguro, yan. Dito,
Kasha ba? Hi, I'm Francesca. You can call me Cez. I'm 25 years old and I just recently graduated. I like to draw, I like to write, crochet, cross stitch, anything.
I'm Heju and I'm 22 years old and I'm currently a college student. I like to play video games and doing some side quests with friends.
I am Ana Beatriz Pidablo. You can call me Bea. I am a teacher by profession. I'm 32 years old. I love to teach. Siyempre, I love to talk to people. All views. Kasi hindi mo pa siya i-shoot, no? Hindi mo pa siya pagkasyahin, kita mo na agad na hindi naman talaga siya magkakasya. So, tingnan mo pa lang, hindi na talaga match. So, yun.
I think it's funny that we even tried.
I'm like, this is so sad.
For me, ito yung shape natin, no? Yung shape, being a woman, you know, trying to fit. Siguro maraming meaning yan eh. Etong glass na to, it could be the clothes that you wear na ang hirap talaga, for me personally. Kasi namimili itong body shape na meron tayo, namimili talaga tayo.
To fit something so big in something that you can see is visibly not a match.
Kapag pinilit sa atin, either mas mukha kang nakakatawa, diba? Mukha kang joke. Mukha kang joke dyan kapag pinilit mo yan, try mo yan.
I remember when I was like a bit younger and it was in like offline malls. I had like there was like a design, a clothes with a design that I kind of liked, and I tried it, and then of course it didn't fit.
Trying to fit something that's not to the right size.
Ako personally, naniniwala ako na eto, mahirap tong baguhin. Diba? Hindi naman pwedeng matulog ka kinabukasan, kasya ka na eh. No? So, napakahalaga na alam mo to.
It's quite complex.
That's a funny question to ask because most of the time I don't feel beautiful or confident. It may sound sad, but I feel more confident or beautiful in days that I don't look in the mirror.
Bata pa lang ako, nakaranas ako ng bullying, kinder, baboy, taba, ganyan. Before, nagko-question din ako sa sarili ko Hindi ako confident na okay lang, hindi. Of course, nasasaktan din ako. Kumbaga, bakit, kung ganun ako, ba't mo naman kailangan sabihin yun? So, habang lumalaki tayo, of course, we learn things. Siguro nagkaroon din ng time na mamamanhid ka na lang. Wala nang effect sa'yo kung ano man sabihin nila. Or siguro, mas marami ka kasi ibang problema kaysa sa problema nila sa'yo. Kapag may problema kayo sa akin, problema nila yun ngayon.
Because the way I see myself and the person I see in the reflection is usually not the same. So I get very nitpicky on the things that's wrong with my face. And so most days I just try to avoid looking at mirrors entirely. But lately I've been trying to convince myself to not be so harsh on the way that I think about how I look.
I learned how to really love who I am. Bakit? Because I started teaching understanding to self. So when I thought understanding ka, sabi ko, paano po magtuturo ng UTS sa mga college students? Kung ako mismo, di ko nga sitindihan yung sarili ko, paano ko sasabihin sa estudyante ko na mahalin nila yung sarili nila? Kung ako nga mismo as a teacher, nahihirapan gawin yon. So
it has to be a decision. For me, being confident is not a feeling na, ay, ganda ako today, confident ako, hindi eh. Maganda ka o hindi, you have to decide. Haharap ako sa tao, harap ako sa estudyante ko, I have to be confident because I need to radiate that energy sa estudyante ko. If they see me confident, magiging confident din sila.
The thing is,
Minsan nakakahiya yun sabihin. Minsan na-awkward before, nung ako na lang bumibili ng bra ko, sanay na lang din ako. Pero before, tinitingnan ko pa. Yung makarinig kaya. Parang ganun.